Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can join our tech family. If it is informative to you, please like our video, share it with your friends so they can get help with these video, and don't forget to press all notification bell icon so you get regular update and don't miss our any single video.
Chapter 2, Attacks, Concepts, and Techniques. This chapter covers the ways that cybersecurity professionals analyze what has happened after a cyber attack. It explains security software and hardware vulnerabilities and the different categories of security vulnerabilities. The different types of malicious software, known as malware, and the symptoms of malware are discussed. The different ways that attackers can infiltrate a system is covered, as well as denial of service attacks. Most modern cyberattacks are considered to be blended attacks. Blended attacks use multiple techniques to infiltrate and attack a system. When an attack cannot be prevented, it is the job of a cybersecurity professional to reduce the impact of that attack.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly via our social platforms. Thanks for watching.